How to access desktop websites from your phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the desktop version of any website on your iPhone using Safari. Sometimes the mobile version just doesn't cut it. Important buttons or features are missing. So here's how to quickly switch to the full desktop site view. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone and go to the website you want to view. It'll load the mobile version by default. Now, once the site loads, look at the top or bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see this icon right in the address bar. Tap on it. Then this menu will pop on the screen. From it, tap on the three dots here. From the drop-down menu, tap Request Desktop Website. Safari will instantly reload the page, and you'll now see the desktop version, just like you would on a computer. And that's it. Now you can unlock the full features of any website using just your iPhone. That's how you can access desktop websites from your phone. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips. That's all for the video, and see you in the next one.